friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, as a part of this Python interview questions, we covered 12 questions. Now let us go for the next question, which is nothing but 13th question, which is very important for interview purpose. Okay. So here, what is that question is, so what is mean by mutable objects? What is mean by mutable objects? When we can say an object is said to be mutable? Very simple basic definition, sir. In Python, not only in Python, in other languages also. Once if we create an object and trying to perform trying to perform modifications on that object. If you are trying to perform modifications on that object, okay. So if that object is accepting the modifications, then we can say that object is mutable object. And this concept is called as mutability. Means what? Changeable behavior, modifications are allowed. In Python, such type of objects are there. So if you want, I will take one simple example and I will show you how it is going to work. See, for this, I am taking a new Python program, sir. Okay, I am taking a new Python program. And in this Python program, I will save this Python program with the file name test.py. Now listen carefully. I'm creating one list object. So what are the elements in that object? 10, 20, 30, 40. We have 4 elements are there. I'm trying to print that list. Let me execute this program up to this py space test.py. The output what we are getting is nothing but once if you execute this program, you can see we have 4 elements are there. It is displayed. Now, I want to check ID of L. What is the address of this particular object? That one also I am going to check. You can see the ID of the object is nothing but this one. And you can observe in the last 3 digits, which is nothing but 3 to 8. Now, I will do the modifications in this object. Sir, what is the modification that you are going to do here? Assume L of 0 is equal to, I am taking 999. What is the meaning of this statement? We are trying to update the element which is available at 0th location. Okay, we are trying to update the element which is available at 0th location. So after this, if you print the list, what output we are going to get? You can see, sir, first element in the very beginning 10, but now what is the element? 999. Like that we have. Now, I want to check even ID of L. Is a new object got created or in the old object the content got updated? You can see, of course, every time it is going to create, every time we are running the program, right? That's why a new memory location, there may be a chance of creating. Why? Because runtime to runtime, there will be a change. Now you can see 5216 is the ID of the object and 5216 is nothing but ID of the object. What is the conclusion here? The modifications, whatever you are doing on the list, it is accepting. In the same object only, it is accepting. It is not creating any new object with that content. This concept, this principle is called as what? Mutability. Sir, which are mutable objects in the Python? In the next videos, somewhere I'm going to cover. But as of now, observe what is mean by mutable. For example, if you are creating any object and trying to perform the modifications on that object, with those modifications, it won't create any new object. It will accept that modifications. Such type of objects are called as what? Mutable objects. Such type of objects are called as what? Mutable objects. I hope you understood the scenario, sir. Okay. Thank you.